Ever found yourself wondering where the digital wizards behind your favorite financial tools actually work? Like, where exactly is the heart of Rocket Money beating? Is it a sleek Silicon Valley skyscraper, a cozy mountain retreat, or maybe a virtual cloud kingdom? You're not alone. I've been asking myself the same thing. We're all so familiar with the apps that help us manage our budgets, cancel those pesky subscriptions, and negotiate bills, but the physical spaces where these innovations are born often remain shrouded in mystery. Think about it. We trust these applications with our most sensitive financial data. We rely on them to streamline our lives, to save us money, and to provide us with a sense of control in an increasingly complex financial landscape. Yet, the physical location of the people behind these tools can feel surprisingly distant. It's a bit like ordering a fantastic meal from a ghost kitchen. You know the food is delicious, you know it arrives quickly, but you have no idea where it's actually cooked. The same goes for many of the apps we use daily. We interact with them through screens, through algorithms, and through customer service chats, but the physical location of the company behind them often remains a question mark. Why does it matter? Well, it's not just about satisfying our curiosity. It's also about understanding the context in which these tools are developed. Knowing where a company is located can give us insights into its culture, its values, and even its approach to innovation. It can help us understand the regulatory environment in which it operates, and it can give us a sense of connection to the people who are working to improve our financial lives. Consider the difference between a tech company based in a bustling urban center versus one based in a remote rural area. The urban environment might foster a culture of rapid iteration and constant innovation, while the rural environment might prioritize a more deliberate and thoughtful approach. Both can be successful, but the location can play a significant role in shaping the company's identity. And with Rocket Money, the question becomes even more intriguing because of the sheer scope of what they do. They're not just a simple budgeting app. They're a comprehensive financial management tool that touches on everything from subscription management to bill negotiation. So, where is the epicenter of this financial revolution? Let's start by clarifying some basics. Rocket Money, formerly known as Truebill, is a personal finance app designed to help users manage their subscriptions, track their spending, and save money. They've built a reputation for their user-friendly interface and their ability to help people identify and cancel unwanted subscriptions. This has led to a massive user base and a significant impact on the personal finance landscape. Now, to get to the heart of the matter, where is their office? Rocket Money is headquartered in Baltimore, Maryland. Yes, that's right, Baltimore. Not Silicon Valley, not New York City, but Baltimore. This might surprise some people. We often associate tech innovation with the West Coast or major metropolitan hubs. But Baltimore has been steadily building its own tech ecosystem, and Rocket Money is a prime example of the talent and innovation that's emerging from the city. Why Baltimore? There are several factors that contribute to this. First, Baltimore offers a more affordable cost of living compared to major tech hubs. This can be a significant advantage for startups and growing companies, allowing them to attract and retain top talent without breaking the bank. Second, Baltimore has a rich history of innovation and entrepreneurship. The city is home to several prestigious universities and research institutions, including Johns Hopkins University, which provides a steady stream of talented graduates and cutting-edge research. Third, Baltimore's location on the East Coast provides easy access to major financial centers like New York City and Washington, D.C. This can be crucial for companies that are operating in the financial technology sector. But it's not just about the practical advantages of being located in Baltimore. Rocket Money has also embraced the city's unique culture and community. They've actively engaged with the local tech scene, participating in events and initiatives that support the growth of the Baltimore tech ecosystem. Thinking about the physical office spaces, it's important to understand the evolution of the modern workplace. While a physical headquarters remains important, the rise of remote work has transformed the way many companies operate. Rocket Money, like many other tech companies, has embraced a hybrid approach, allowing employees to work both from the office and from home. This flexibility has allowed them to attract talent from all over the country and even the world. It's also allowed them to create a more diverse and inclusive workplace. So, while their headquarters is in Baltimore, their team is spread across various locations, reflecting the changing nature of work in the digital age. This hybrid model allows for the benefits of a central office, such as collaboration and team building, while also providing the flexibility and autonomy that many employees desire. But the question of where goes beyond just the physical location of their office. It's also about the where of their data centers, their servers, and their cloud infrastructure. In today's digital world, a company's physical presence extends far beyond its headquarters. Rocket Money, like most modern tech companies, relies on a network of data centers and cloud servers to store and process its data. These facilities are often located in secure locations with robust infrastructure and redundant systems to ensure reliability and security. The specific locations of these data centers are often kept confidential for security reasons. However, it's safe to say that Rocket Money utilizes a combination of its own servers and cloud services from major providers like Amazon Web Services, AWS, and Google Cloud Platform, GCP. These cloud providers have a global network of data centers, allowing Rocket Money to serve its users efficiently and reliably, regardless of their location. This distributed infrastructure also provides redundancy and resilience, ensuring that the app remains available even in the event of a disruption at a single data center. So, the where of Rocket Money is a complex and multifaceted question. It's about their headquarters in Baltimore, it's about their distributed team, and it's about their network of data centers and cloud servers. It's also about the where of their users. Rocket Money serves millions of users across the United States and beyond. Their app is available on both iOS and Android platforms, making it accessible to a wide range of users. This widespread accessibility is a testament to the power of digital technology. It allows companies like Rocket Money to reach a global audience without needing a physical presence in every location. The story of Rocket Money's location is a reflection of the changing nature of work and the increasing importance of digital technology. It's a reminder that innovation can come from anywhere, and that the future of work is likely to be a hybrid of physical and virtual spaces. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.